Welcome everyone. So I'll be hosting my first Halloween treat challenge, and here go the rules. So far we have Queen Key 83 and her dessert. Next we have Keeping Up with the Griffins. And last but not least we have Friday's Kitchen. So these are all the people that had entered into the contest, and I'm going to go ahead and extend the contest until October 20th, so you still have a chance to join. I want to thank you all so much for participating, and the prizes will get better each time, so thank you for joining.
Gonna find